I, Dr. Ramkumar Srivastav, will give you the information about the eggs, what are the benefits and effects if you are taking the eggs daily. These are the benefits of the eggs. Eggs have many health benefits ranging from boosting the immune system, strengthening bone health, improving metabolism and liver function. The American Heart Association states that the lutein and zeaxanthin components of an egg yolk can be good for the eyes. It can reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, which are some of the leading causes of blindness in people over the age of 55 and more than that. Eggs have long been praised as a nutrient-rich, high-protein food that can keep you full for hours and boost metabolism. Harvard University also notes the valuable nutrients inside eggs, that is the lutein, zeaxanthin, choline, vitamin A, D and B, which supports eye health, brain function and immunity. Eggs are a staple in diets worldwide, packed with protein, vitamins and healthy fats. One large egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of protein, all 9 essential amino acids and vitamin A, D, E and B12, along with nutrients like choline and lutein. The yolk supports eye and brain health, while the white provides pure protein without cholesterol. Whether eaten, boiled, scrambled or in omelets, eggs are a convenient and nutritious option for overall health of the well-being. Eggs are the nutritional powerhouse. These are having these qualities: high quality protein for building and repairing tissues, muscles and enzymes. Choline is very important for brain activity and memory, integrity of cell membranes. Vitamins. Eggs are a source of vitamin D, which is important in immune health and calcium regulation, and vitamin B12 for energy metabolism and the formation of red blood cells. Vitamin A, E and folate contribute to skin, eye and general cellular health. The antioxidants are lutein and zeaxanthin in egg yolk protect against oxidative stress while supporting eye health by protecting the retina from damaging light. There is the porous egg, which can be prepared easily. Eggs and cholesterol. What is safe? Our liver makes most of the cholesterol in the body, and it is stimulated mainly by saturated fats and trans fats. Eggs contain very little saturated fats, only about 1.5 grams, so they do not trigger a major risk in the LDL. Harvard University also notes the valuable nutrients inside egg, that is the lutein and zeaxanthin, choline, vitamin A, D, B vitamins, which support eye health, brain function and immunity. Their message is clear. For most people, the egg is not the problem. The real danger lies in what comes with it. That is, when you are combining the egg with the other ingredients such as bacon, sausages, cheese, muffins, pastries, and fried sides. These foods carry the saturated fats and refined carbohydrates that raise LDL far more sharply than an egg ever will. Cholesterol present in the blood has low density lipoprotein, a relatively high proportion of which is associated with a high risk of coronary heart disease. These are the yellow egg, brownish egg, or we can say this is the brownish egg, along with the white egg, which are available in the market. This is the poached egg, we can prepare easily. What happens to your body if you eat eggs every day? This causes weight loss, immunity booster, boost brain health, improves good cholesterol, makes your skin healthier, gives you stronger bones, feeling fuller and more energized. As reported by the British Egg Information Service, the organization behind the egg nutrition is Scottish. Slimmers recommends eggs as an inexpensive and tasty way to boost your protein intake with only 70 calories per egg. They are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which is beneficial in promoting heart health. Modern metabolic and cardiovascular research paints a very different picture about eggs. Whole egg do not increase cardiovascular risk in healthy individuals and offer far more than just protein. You should not fear about the cardiovascular risk by taking an egg. The egg yolk is packed with vital vitamins and nourishing lipids that stimulate hair follicles and encourage hair growth. On the other hand, egg white is known for its cleansing and scalp tightening properties, but it also helps in hair growth. These are the brown egg. These are available in the market. Egg yolk's role in hair growth. The yolk of the egg is known for vitamins A, D, and E. It also has biotin and vital fatty acids, which promote the production of sebum, a naturally occurring oil that keeps the scalp hydrated and prevents dryness. Biotin fortifies hair strands and further reduces the danger of thinning as well. Brimming with proteins and lipids, it moisturizes and nourishes the hair, further dehydrating the locks and strengthening the hair shaft as well. Egg white's role in hair growth. Egg white contains collagen that supports the overall strength of the locks and reduces the chances of breakage. Maintaining the health of the follicles promotes overall hair growth. Also, egg whites tighten the scalp for better blood circulation, which in turn improves the delivery of nutrients and promotes healthier locks. If you are on a weight loss journey, the way you prepare your food is very important, and eggs are no exception. Experts suggest that simply boiling or poaching eggs can be a good choice during a weight loss journey, as this method does not allow for adding extra calories. whereas frying or scrambling an egg usually requires oil or butter, which can increase the calorie intake or calorie content, which may hinder your effort to lose weight. A heart surgeon recommends eggs every day for a longer life. Dr. Jeremy London, a cardiothoracic surgeon with over 25 years of clinical experience, aims to set the record straight. According to him, for most people, enjoying eggs daily is not only safe but can also be one of the smartest choices you make for your health and longevity. Eggs are one of the most complete and economical foods in nature. One large egg delivers high quality proteins, essential fatty acids, and a range of vitamins and minerals, and compelling antioxidant. This mix of nutrients makes eggs an important food for supporting cardiovascular system. The eggs is a nutritional powerhouse. These are the two preparation of the eggs, the boiled egg and the omelette. 5 high protein food alternatives to eggs. These are the Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, paneer, chickpeas or chana, quinoa or jowar. Brown eggs versus white egg. Is one really healthier than the other? Eggshell color is determined by the genetics of the hen. For example, hens with white feather and light earlobes often lay white eggs, while hens with red and brown feathers usually lay brown eggs. The brown pigment is added to the shell during egg formation, but inside all eggs have the same white membrane. Shell cover does not indicate higher nutrition or quality. So the brown egg and white eggs are the similar. They are having the same nutrients inside the egg. Studies shows that plain brown and white eggs of the same size have almost identical protein, fat, vitamins and mineral content. These are the poached egg. You can prepare easily on the frying pan. Eggs labeled free range, pasture raised or organic often comes from healthier hens and may have slightly better nutrition. Enriched eggs like omega-3 eggs get their benefits from the hen's diet. Choosing eggs with clear labels and good production practices ensures better nutrition, taste and ethical sourcing. Make sure to cook eggs thoroughly, as raw eggs can also contain salmonella bacteria which may cause the gastric disturbance. These are the two types of the eggs which are available, brown egg and the white egg. Despite their benefits, eggs can sometimes harbor harmful bacteria if they are past their prime, improperly stored or damaged. Consuming spoiled eggs can lead to foodborne illness, making it crucial to recognize early warning signs. By learning to identify changes in appearance, texture, smell and freshness, you can ensure your eggs are safe to eat and protect from your health with every meal. Their expiry date has passed. The first indicator of egg safety is the label on the carton. Eggs usually features a sell by date, expiration date, or pack date. The sell by date indicates when a store should sell eggs for peak quality, while the expiration date marks the last day the manufacturer recommends for consuming them. Pack dates reveal when eggs were processed. According to the US Food and Drug Administration, eggs are typically safe for 4 to 5 weeks after the pack date if stored properly. Timing of eggs matters for weight loss. Research shows that breakfast is the best time to eat eggs for weight loss. Morning consumption helps control appetite, preventing overeating later in the day. The protein in eggs promotes fullness, slows digestion, and triggers satiety hormones, that is the fullness, feeling of the fullness in the stomach, while stabilizing blood sugar levels. The shells appears broken or cracked. A cracked or broken shell comprises the egg's natural protective barrier, allowing bacteria to enter. Even small cracks can affect freshness and safety. So when you are purchasing the egg, you should see there should be no crack in the egg. What is simple home test to check the egg before cooking? The first one is the water test. Fill a bowl with cold water and gently place the raw egg inside. If the egg sinks and lies flat, it is fresh. If it stands upright or floats, it has likely gone bad and should not be eaten, and it should be discarded. Shake test. Hold the egg close to your ear and gently shake it. No sound usually means the egg is fresh. The next one is the smell test. Crack the egg onto a clean plate and smell it. Fresh eggs have little to no smell. Then inspect the shell. A fresh egg usually has a slightly rough, matte shell with no cracks. A few smart shifts can help people keep their numbers stable. Cook eggs without butter and use little oil. Prefer 2 eggs daily and should not take more than 2 eggs in a daily breakfast. Choose boiled, poached, or lightly cooked omelets. Thanks.